What's going on, YouTube? So I just wanted to throw a quick video together on how I salvage components from scrap PCBs, just stuff that I can reuse later on with my electronics tinkering that I do. So this is just a little board. It's got these, has three of these real nice through-hole single pole double throw relays. These are rated at 10 amps, which is pretty good for being the size of them and being through hole. So I know a lot of people when they go to salvage components off of stuff that they don't use anymore or salvage stuff, they try and desolder them, they cut the PCB. The easiest way I found is to get a decent heat gun and a pair of pliers. Now the way I do mine, I just power up the heat gun, turn it up to 1200 degrees, as high as it goes, and then set it to high. And I just hold the heat gun back behind the board for a few seconds and start to warm it up. And I take a pair of pliers and just put it on the component that I want to remove and just wiggle it around every couple seconds, and as soon as the solder melts behind it, you'll feel the component release and you'll be able to pull it straight out without any damage. And once you have the board preheated, especially if you're removing all the components that you can use off of it, once the board starts to heat up, it's really easy to get the remaining components. And so that's my quick little video on how to remove components off of PCBs to reuse them later. As you can see if I can get it to focus here. There's no physical damage to the relay. It is slightly warm on the casing, but not enough to damage it in any way. The pins haven't been distorted. So I can take this, put it into a prototyping PCB or into a breadboard and use it later on for whatever I need. This particular one has a very low voltage turn on. It's 5 volt, but it can handle 10 amps at 250 volts on the output contacts. So that's just a quick video on how I salvage components for stuff that I work on in the future. If you got any questions or comments, post them below, and we'll see you next time.